it is very, very unfortunate that the Deputy President can lead a battalion, you know, of leaders who camped in the neighborhood of His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, and basically to hurl insult to the President. And they are hurling those insults basically because the President has expressed his wish and his preference. And you know, they have always been saying that His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta has one vote. Yes, the President has one vote, and he has his democratic right to choose which leader he would want, you know, to succeed him with that one vote. We cannot entertain leaders who every other day, you know, are spreading hatred. You know, they are profiling communities. The utterances by the MP for Watodo South, very, very unfortunate utterances, which we want to say as Kikuyus, we want to disassociate ourselves from the sentiments that were expressed by Honorable Moses Kuria. That is not the stand of the Kikuyus, that is not the stand of leaders, and we cannot in any way be associated with those kind of utterances.